Hello, welcome to WaterFilteroo YouTube channel. Hey, if you're facing the issue of your Samsung fridge water dispenser dripping, don't worry, it's a common occurrence, and I'm here to help you understand why it happens and how to deal with it. First things first, it's totally normal for the water dispenser to release a few drops of water, less than 1 cubic centimeter, after you've used it. The same goes for when you dispense crushed ice, you might notice some water dripping afterward. This is simply because tiny ice fragments can get stuck in or around the ice chute, and as they melt, they drip down into the dispenser area. No need to panic, it's all part of the process. Now, if you've recently installed a new fridge, give it up to 24 hours to cool down completely. During this time, the plastic water tank inside might contract and expand as the temperature changes. Also, when room temperature water enters the cold water tank, it can go through similar expansions and contractions, which can cause some dripping from the dispenser. But what if your dispenser has a steady drip that's bothering you? Well, there are a few potential reasons for that. It could be due to air trapped in the water line, or there might have been an issue with the water line connector installation during door removal. Sometimes, when you've replaced the water filter, dripping can occur because air gets trapped in the filter. So, here's how you can resolve the issue of water leaking or dripping from your dispenser. Water often drips because there's air inside the water system. It's a common issue. When you install a refrigerator, especially during door removal and reinstallation, air can get into the water hoses. If you notice your water dispenser leaking a few drops after usage, it's usually functioning correctly. If your fridge has just been installed and you see water leaking from the water dispenser, it's likely due to air in the system. To resolve this, dispense about 10 liters of water to clear out the air. If, however, the dispenser is dripping excessively, follow these steps. Let the refrigerator cool for a full 24 hours after installation, then dispense 2 to 3 gallons of water. If the dripping stops, it was likely just air in the water line, which is normal after installation. If the drip continues, remove the water filter and dispense 1 more gallon of water. Reinstall the water filter. If the dripping stops, it probably means there was air trapped in the filter housing. But if the dripping persists, it might be time to consider getting your unit serviced. You can contact Samsung customer care to inquire about warranty and service procedures. So, there you have it. Dealing with a dripping water dispenser in your Samsung fridge is a common issue, and now you know how to address it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Keep your cool and take care. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.